Yes. So children, today I will take LKG English. Yes. LKG English. Okay. So before English, we learn animals and their homes. Yes, children. Animals also wants homes. Okay. So children, animals also wants home. Animals stay homes. So animals and their homes. Homes. Okay, children? Yes. So children, bear house, what children? Bear lives cave. Bear home is cave. Okay, children? So next, ant. Ant house is ant hills. Okay, children? Ant home is ant hill. So third one, horse. Horse home, what children? Stable. Fourth one, lion. Lion home, den. Lion home is den. So fifth one, spider. Spider home is web. W-E-B, web. Okay, children? Now sixth one, dog. Dog home is what, children? Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Next, cow. Cow home is shed. S-H-E-D, shed. Next, mouse. Mouse, hole. Ninth one, bee. Hive. H-I-V-E, hive. And rabbit, burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. Okay, children. So this is animals and their homes. So bear, cave. Bear house is cave. C-A-V-E, cave. Ant. Ant hill. A-N-T, ant. H-I-L-L, hill. Ant hill home is ant hill. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse home is stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Lion. Lion home is what, children? L-I-O-N. Lion. Den. D-E-N, den. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider home is web. W-E-B, web. Dog home is kennel. D-O-G, dog. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Cow. Cow home is shed. C-O-W, cow. S-H-E-D, shed. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. H-O-L-E, hole. House. Mouse lives in what way, children? Hole. So mouse home is hole. Bee. B-E-B, H-I-V-E, hive. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit live in burrows. B-U-R-R-O-W. Everyone wants home, children. So animals want also home. They leave that home. So we also want homes. Understood, children? This is animal homes. Bear, cub, ant, anthill, horse, stable, lion, den, spider, web, dog, kennel, cow, shed, mouse, hole, bee, hive, rabbit, burrow. Understood, children? Yes. So now, children, everyone take out your English classwork book. So today we'll write both letters A and A to Z, small letter, big letter. Okay, children, ready? Yes, children. So, A to Z. Ready, children? Everyone take out English classwork book, pencil, eraser, everything, children. Okay? So everyone write neatly in your classwork book, children, and say and write, children. Okay? Yes. So big A, small a, 2, big Z, 2, small z. Okay, children? Yes. So big A, small a, big B, small b, big C, small c, big D, small d. So write neatly, children, now. Everyone write neatly in your classwork book. Big E, small e, big F, small f, small f, big G, small g. Okay, children? Yes. So big H, small h, big I, small I, big J, small j, big K, small k, big L, small l, big M, small m, big N, small n, big O, small o, big P, small p, big Q, small q, big R, small r, big S, small s, big T, small t, big U, small u, big V, small v, big W, small w, big X, small x, big Y, small y, big Z, small z. So write neatly in your classwork book, children. Big A, small a. Say and write. Big A, small a. Big B, small b. Big C, small c. Big D, small d. Big E, small e. Big F, small f. Big G, small g. Big H, small h. So big I, small I. Big J, small j. Big K, small k. Big L, small l. Big M, small m. Big N, small n. Big O, small o. Big P, small p. Big Q, small q. Big R, small r. Big S, small s. Big T, small t. Big U, small u. Big V, small v. Big W, small w. Big X, small x. So big Y, small y. Big Z, small z. So children, you have homework both letters Write, sorry children, 3 times in your classwork book. Okay children? So now children, everyone take out your English textbook. Yes. So open children. Open your textbook. Little Learner English textbook. Open children. So page number 55. Yes children, page number, I know. Draw picture with the given letters. So children, here some pictures are given. So we'll draw here that picture. Will here W, X, Y, Z. So 4 letters are there. So that letter will draw here picture. So W for what children? W for watch. So this will here watch. Draw children. Yes, so this is watch. So X for Xmas tree. Yes, so X for Xmas tree. So Y for yak. Yak or yo-yo. So this is yo-yo. So Z for zip. Yes, children. So W for watch, Y for X for Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zip. Now, children, drawing. Okay. First, we'll draw and coloring also. Okay, children. Yes. So draw is finished. Now color. W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, for Z for zip. See children. Okay? Yes. So next, turn the page, color the picture, cross out the odd one out. So W for watch, and so three pictures are there children. So what is the correct picture? So what children color the picture, cross out the out one out. So W for watch. So W for watch. This is the correct. So we'll color children. Okay. So this is color the picture and okay. So next X. So X for what children? Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Yeah. So next Y for yo-yo. And Z for zip. See children. Okay. Yes. So next children, page number 57. Page number 57. Print with the cotton birds to complete the picture. circle the beginning letter. So what is the first letter, children? W. W for watermelon. So W is circle. So now here we'll print the cotton birds, children. Ready? Yes. Yes, children. So now print with the cotton bud to complete the picture, circle the beginning letter. So we'll here already circle the letter. So now here we'll print a with the cotton birds, children. Okay. So take some Fevicol, gum, glue, anyone. So we'll stick here some cotton birds. Yes, children. See. So watermelon is completed, children. So next, Xmas tree. Okay. So X for Xmas tree. So first circle the beginning letter X for Xmas tree. Now we print a cotton birds. Okay, children. Yes. Yes. Okay, children. See. So next, Y for yard. So Y for yard. Now we print a cotton bird for yard, children. Okay. Yes. Yes. So now zebra. So Z for what, children? Zebra. So zebra for the cotton birds, children. So this is your homework, children. You also do like this only in your textbook, children. Okay. Yes, children. So see. Okay, so you also like this only. This is your homework. Do, children. So next, children, where is my cheese? Yes, children. So now page number 58. Where is my cheese? Sing, children. Where is my cheese? Sing. The little grey mouse ran her and there looking for his cheese everywhere. On the table behind the teacup, between the plates in the milk jug, under the chair beside the rug, and on the shelves above the table. The little grey mouse said, "Pretty please will you tell me where is the mighty?" So little mouse, children. So little mouse looking for her cheese here and everywhere. On the table behind the cup, between the cup, under the chair, shelf the table, and tell me where my cheese. So where is the little table? Grey mouse run looking her cheese. So where is the cheese, children? Okay. So see, children, here page number 59. Match the picture to the words. So first, little mouse, two jugs between. See, children. So middle, two jugs middle. So what is this, children? Between. Two jugs between in the mouth. So between, where is the between? Inside, beside, behind, on, between, under. So matching, between. Okay, children, this is between. So the little mouse on the mat. So on. So little mouse behind the cup. So behind. So behind the cup. So little mouse inside the water jug. So the little mouse under the chair. U-N-D-E-R, under. The little mouse inside the table. So this is inside and this is beside, children. So little mouse inside the jug. Okay, children, understood? So next, hello letter J. See, children, hello letter J. With the trace your finger, name the picture. J, big J, small j. J-U-G, jug, J-M, jam, J-O-K-E, joker, J-E-P, jeep, J-A-C-K-A-T, jacket, and J-A-K, J-A-C-K, jack. Help Jim find his jelly. So, will help him jelly, children. So, Jim wants to jelly. So, will show the roots for jelly. Help him. So, ready, children? Yes. Well done, children. Help the Jimmy do for Jim. See? Jelly. So, Jim wants to jelly? Yes. Okay, children? So, trace and write. J, 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 and J. So, turn the page. Hello letter U. U, big U, small u. U for up, U for under, U for umbrella, U for uncle, and U for yearn, U for empire, and U for unhappy. Children, color the umbrella, paste the sticker of raindrop. So, children, here will color the umbrella and stick the raindrop, children. Okay? So, children, color the umbrella, paste the stickers. So, ready, children? We'll paste the stickers here. Yes. Umbrella, raindrops, children. Yes, children. See, we'll stick a raindrop stickers, children. See. So now we color the umbrella. So pink color umbrella, children. Yes. See, children. Yes. So trace and write U. Trace and write U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay, children. So next, turn the page. Hello letter B. B for bat. B for boat. B for ball. B for boy and B for bird and B for butter. Okay, children. So now, children, here trace a pattern to take bee to the hive. So here pattern, children, first is straight. So other one is zigzag, circle. Okay, and next B. B for bee. B for bee. B for bee and B for bee. Okay, children. Yes. So yes, children. So B, trace the pattern. The B is height to height is completed, children. So B. So your English class is completed. So you also do like this one in your textbook, children. So take small video and send me school email ID, children. And you have homework both letters A to Z. Write 3 times in your class workbook, children. So your class is done. Your class is completed, English class. So when you completed your homework and your videos, anything, you send me school email ID, children. Okay, children. So we'll meet you next class. Bye, children. Take care.